It's not possible to automatically transfer the contents of one account into another account. But if you do need to move your accounts, WhenToWork will make it easier for you. In the Manager login on your old account, go to your employee list. If you'd like to filter this list, you can filter by position, or to just those employees marked with a specific status icon. Or, of course, you can export all of your employees at once. Check off the employees you'd like to export, and then click Export. You can choose the fields that you'd like to include. When you're ready, click Create Export File. This creates a CSV file which can be opened in any spreadsheet software. In the new account, go to the employee list and click Upload. Select your file to upload. You'll need to make sure that the fields match up. When you're uploading a file that was created in WhenToWork, the fields will easily match up, with the possible exception of any custom fields. You can simply identify those as Custom 1 and Custom 2, and edit those labels in the new account later. When you're ready, click Next Step and Upload Data. Your employees are added to the account. If you have schedules or templates in your account, you can quickly move them to the new account as well. If you go to the Grid Schedule view, you can easily check off your shifts and click Export. Again, you'll simply select the fields you'd like to include, name your file, and click Create Export File. This creates another CSV file, with this one containing all of your shifts. If you prefer, you can upload one of your templates in the template editor. Choose your template and click Export. Once again, you'll simply check off the fields, enter a name, and click Create Export File. In the new account, you'll want to make sure that you have all the same positions as you entered into the old account. You can click Add Edit Positions to easily add or edit the existing positions in the new account. Now you're ready to upload your schedule or template. Simply go to the Any Weekly Schedule view, navigate to a fresh, unpublished week, and click Upload. Choose your file and move to the next step. The shifts we exported have a shift ID and a template ID that are specific to the account from which they come. So we're not going to import those. Also, you'll note that we have not set up categories in this account. So we are not going to import the categories. We don't import the date because we are really just using the day of the week. Click to upload data. And the upload is successful. All of your shifts are in the new account. Of course, when you added the employees to the new account, you created new logins for each of them. That means that you're going to have to send sign-in information. Just like they were brand new employees, they'll need to create new usernames and passwords and enter their availability preferences, time off requests, etc. Anything else you need to set up in this new account will have to be done manually. Only the employee lists and the shifts can be exported and uploaded from one account to the other.